ಛೇ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕಾಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಈ ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೆಲಸ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ನಮಗೂ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಾಕಾಗೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಲಾಂಗ್ ರೈಡ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಬೈಕ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಗುಡ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದು?
ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಈ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ವಾವ್, ಸೂಪರ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕಮಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. Hey, good morning. So it's already 5:30. So we're planning to leave by 6. So excited for the long ride. Let's see if we can leave on time. Hi. So we started from Bengaluru and we have reached Bengaluru. We came via nice road. So we have reached National Highway 75 and we'll be stopping in another 70 kilometers. So see you then. We had our breakfast at Hotel Mayura. We will be continuing on the same National Highway 75 and next stop will be Hasan.
After reaching Hasan, we decided to take an off-road to go to Shettihalli.
Okay, we took off-road from Hasan around 20 kilometers and we are going to Shettihalli Church. So I think we have to walk around half a kilometer, I think. So we'll be starting now. It's a small route. We can't take our bikes. So going for that now. Baker Sapna. Guys, please don't do this. Don't throw plastic and paper when you go visit a site. We are almost there, I think. You can see some water body and all. It looks good.
Shettihalli Rosary Church was built in 1860s by the French missionaries in India. The church is a magnificent structure of Gothic architecture. After the construction of Hemavati Dam and Reservoir in 1960, the church was abandoned.
Done with the off-road visit to Shettihalli Church. So next we'll stop somewhere on the highway for lunch. So need to walk till the bike. We could have got the bike. Some guys managed to get it, but we are not sure from where they came. It's okay. Walking is good for us. It's 3:25 now, so we just reached Aramane Restaurant for lunch. So after this we'll be directly going to homestay.
homestay.
We have reached here around 5:30 p.m. We are sipping hot tea. You can see the view there.
Hey guys, it was an awesome, safe and comfortable ride from Bengaluru to Chikmagalur. So we'll be staying in Chikmagalur for 5 days and we'll be planning to visit some of these places. So for more videos, stay tuned and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. If you like the content and for more such videos, press on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon.